Good morning! Today we are heading over to Isle of Skye. Back in 2012, I was looking at places to study abroad during my university times. And when I was looking at photos, I initially thought, oh, it'd be great to go to Spain, learn Spanish, da da da. And then I was looking at other programs and I saw a few photos of Scotland. And the two photos that were most memorable to me were number one, Fingal's Cave, number two, Old Man of Storr. So I saw that photo of Old Man of Storr and I thought, oh my goodness, that looks gorgeous. I need to go to Scotland. And so that photo basically changed my entire life. Going from, just an all-American girl who's never left the country to now being married to a Scottish guy and traveling the world with him. After those 13, 14 years, I still haven't been to Old Man of Storr. Therefore, we're going up to Skye, we're going to go for a wee explore, we're gonna hike Old Man of Storr. We made it to the trailhead. Now we're walking. Beautiful day, beautiful. We decided to actually skip lunch, which is very rare for me, but it'll be worth it because then we'll get the sunlight because, sunsets here probably at like 3 p.m. So we've been hiking for the last 10 minutes or so, and I would say we've seen quite a few different shoe choices. I would recommend that if you are coming up here, I know it's not that long of a walk, but it's still some steepness. If it rains, it will get muddy. So perhaps wear some trainers, some trail running shoes, or some hiking boots, rather than maybe a nice pair of leather boots, because I have seen also someone wearing like city leather high knee boots.
But this path is very good.
It's a very nice path.
Very easy.
Very easy. It's not flat, but it's good. Just coming up to the store, that pointy bit, and the other pointy bit. It's called the Needle. Decent climb.
Yeah.
We made it! Old Man of Storr, finally, after 13 years of not having been here and just seeing the photos and deciding, hey, let's go to Scotland, I finally got here. Crazy how I've done like so many other things in Scotland, but not have been here in like one of the most touristy areas. But we're here and it's actually so beautiful, especially in the sun. Let's see how tame these birds are if I pretend to have food.
Can't pretend. You get very upset if you trick him.
But turn around, look at your freaking view. Okay, we might have just spent the last like 2 hours taking photos. I'm just enjoying the moments, but it's so beautiful. I mean, how can you not? Look at this.
You also get like the contrast because you've
And
got
the
the
contrast.
blue sea, this like super light pastel colors in the sky, then the red ground from the heather, like it's really nice.
So nice.
And then the black rock.
It took us about 35 minutes to get up, and that's including lots of stops for lots and lots of photos and lots of videos. And then down, we're partway down now. So because I have this whole ACL injury, ACL, MCL, LCL injury, I am trying to take it easy on the downhill because that is quite brutal for the knees, considering my knees are already swollen. Overall, I'd say Old Man of Storr was so good. I mean, we also got really nice and lucky with the weather. It was just so beautiful. And I mean, how many times do I have to say the sunshine? You know, you just don't get this in Scotland, especially in the winter. So I just can't stop saying it. So with that sun, with the weather being so clear, Old Man of Storr, absolutely beautiful. 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I would definitely recommend bringing trail running shoes, or at least some hikers or hiking shoes, or some sort of trainers, because one, if it was wet here, it would get pretty muddy. So don't bring your nice shoes. Number two, I would also say that if you're not used to hiking, just be prepared to take a bit longer than the 35 minutes that it took us, even with photos, because you might need a few breaks here and there, because on the way up it is pretty much uphill the entire way. Yeah.
But if you get a clear day like this,
Oh, unreal. I'm pretty sure we just spent 3 hours just here today, probably even more. The light, the rocks, and the sunset, and the light hitting the rocks is just so pretty. So pretty. Contrast.
Bodach an Storr. O chian ada, nwar a fa fian machul agus na fiona nan gaskich awn an eiran agus tuvan jaar na halapa. Be cheer nam faveren a vaun an Isle of Skyenach. Fayad an conny a savage. Awn an urnflaar, chai favor a farvag Trotternish. Hiongi a chorp gyclach. Chwrs nan gael guri colf môr chloiche a va a rúgan suas chun a bot. Ach nwar a chai etter chiangahig gu birla, hai a charachig gu shaun dunya. Awn an Gaelic se bot hawn an pinas, agus se botach a hawn an Old Man.